If you're a Twitch streamer looking to grow your channel in 2025, the good news is that there are plenty of free tools out there that can make your streaming setup look professional, attract new viewers, and keep your audience engaged all without spending a dime. Let's go over some of the best free tools every Twitch streamer should be using in 2025. First up is OBS Studio. This is the most popular free broadcasting software, and for good reason. It lets you customize your scenes, switch between overlays, add alerts, and stream in high quality without any watermark or restrictions. OBS Studio also supports plugins, so you can enhance your stream with custom features and widgets. Next, if you want something easier to use, check out Streamlabs Desktop. While it's built on OBS, it's designed with beginners in mind. Streamlabs comes with built-in alerts, overlays, chat integration, and a user-friendly dashboard that makes setting up your stream a lot faster. It's especially great if you don't want to deal with the technical side of things. Now, let's talk about keeping your viewers engaged. StreamElements is a free, web-based tool that lets you create overlays, alerts, and chatbots all managed in the cloud. This means you don't have to install extra software, and your setup can be used from any computer. StreamElements also has tipping features, loyalty programs, and even free themes for your channel. Another essential free tool is Nightbot. This is a chat bot that moderates your chat, filters spam, and even allows you to set up custom commands. With Nightbot, you can automate repetitive tasks, run giveaways, and make your chat more interactive, all while keeping things organized. For graphics and branding, check out Canva. The free version lets you design Twitch panels, banners, logos, and thumbnails easily. If you want your channel to stand out visually, Canva gives you plenty of ready-to-use templates that look professional. And don't forget about Discord. Having a free Discord server for your Twitch community is one of the best ways to stay connected with viewers off-stream. It helps build a loyal fan base, gives you a space for announcements, and makes your audience feel like part of your journey. Finally, if you want to keep track of your progress, use Twitch Tracker or Sulig Gnome. These are free analytics tools that help you analyze your channel's growth, see what's working, and discover the best times to stream. So, to sum it up, OBS Studio and Streamlabs for streaming software, StreamElements and Nightbot for engagement and moderation, Canva for branding, Discord for community building, Twitch Tracker for analytics. All of these tools are free, powerful, and can help you level up your Twitch streaming in 2025 without breaking the bank. If you're serious about streaming, start trying out these tools today and see how much easier and more fun your Twitch journey can become.